What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, and I do not offer an investment trading program. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, they're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Go click on that Webull link, open up your new account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Selling everything. This market crash is coming. I read an article where a couple said exactly that. They were going to be liquidating all of their investments and moving their money to cash and ride out this storm, this financial storm that's coming. So I thought I would talk to you guys about that today. When is it the right time to throw your hands up and say, I've had enough, give me my money and get out of the market? Well, let's take a look at some statistics. So since 1928, there have been 21 S&P 500 bear markets. So that's an average of 4.5 years between each bear market. And those bear markets typically last about 300 days. On the flip side, bull markets typically last about 990 days. So statistically speaking, although bear markets are terrible from a return on investment standpoint, it certainly is a great opportunity to buy assets while they're on sale, because we know the bull market's coming. And when it does come, it's going to last 3 times as long as the bear market. I should be able to really increase my net worth if I'm disciplined, like I said, patient and consistent through dollar cost averaging and buying my favorite companies, my favorite ETFs, and just hold them long term. Everybody's at different stages in their life. I get it. These people that I read the article on, they were older people, right? They were trying to protect their nest egg. They had worked all their lives, they had invested, and they were ready to get into the enjoyment stage of wealth. And they were afraid that if their money stayed in the market, that they would not have time to recover. So they decided, you know something, we've had enough. We've had a good run. Let's take our money and protect it and preserve it so that we know we can count on this money in our golden years. For most of us, though, we're not in that situation. We're not in a situation where we have built wealth and we're trying to protect that wealth. Most of the people that watch my channel are folks that are actually trying to build wealth, right? So if I'm trying to build wealth and I got some time, right? I'm not in the golden years of my life already, but I'm a little bit younger. I'm still working or running my business, but I'm trying to figure out a way how to multiply this money. So when I get to my golden years, I got enough assets that can generate enough income to take care of me. Most of us are in that boat. So certainly, in my opinion, you got to strongly consider if you really want to be taking your money out of the market in a bear market where really it's at a depreciated value. Why? Because of the investments you bought, most of them have come down in value. That's the whole point of it being a bear market, right? Assets are on sale. Assets are discounted. So I think that's the wrong time to be taking money out of the market when you have a depreciated value on those assets right now. The better time to take them out of the market is when you have an appreciated value on those assets. And that would be in the next what? Bull market. So we know the bear market, statistically speaking, on average, like I said, on average, lasts about 300 days. And I've been telling you guys all along that this bear market is going to last for at least 2 to 3 years. But even when the bear market is over, let's say the bear market lasts a year, you're still going to have some residual effects of that bear market that is going to continue to feel like a bear market for a little bit longer, right? That's just kind of how it works. But the key, though, is if I can consistently buy these depreciated assets, right? If I can continue to buy these depreciated paper assets on a consistent basis over the next year and a half, then when we do get on the other side of this bear market and start the beginning stages of a bull market, that's where we'll start seeing those discounted or depreciated assets start appreciating in value again. So you have to figure out what your financial situation is and how long is it before you need the money from these assets, the income that's generated from these assets to help take care of you. Before you invest money in this market we're in, make sure you understand what your game plan is long term. Make sure you understand when you're going to need this money, right? If I got $5,000 and I want to multiply it, but I'm going to need that $5,000 within the next 12 to 18, 24 months, I may not want to put it in this market right now. I may not want to put it in paper assets, right? Because we don't have a guarantee that we'll be out of this bear market in 12, 18, 24 months. We just don't know. Statistically speaking, it says 300 days, but we know sometimes statistics can be a little bit off. So I wouldn't put my $5,000 in the market if I know right now, if I'm thinking about it, I'm saying, you know something, I may need that $5,000 for XYZ in a year or in 18 months. I would just keep it in my savings account. Really, to take advantage of what's happening right now in the market, you really got to have a 3, 5, 7, 10-year hold pattern. You got to be able to have that money in the market for that period of time in order for it to really turn itself around and build your net worth. Because like I said, right now, everything's depreciated just because of where our economy is, right? Inflation is super high. Interest rates super high, right? So stock market super low. That's just the way it works out. But at some point, we already know this because history tells us at some point we're going to go back to a bull market, and those bull markets last 3 times as long as the bear market. That's not me coming up with those statistics, guys. That's what my research says. I would recommend for you to go out and do your own research and come up with your own conclusion. But at the end of the day, I think it's a perfect opportunity for someone trying to build wealth, not for somebody that already has wealth and they're trying to protect it. This may not be the market for you, but somebody that's trying to build wealth, take their net worth from 0 to something. This is an incredible opportunity to do it if you can keep the money in the market long enough. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand in this video. It's all dependent upon how long you can keep the money in the market, right? If you can keep it in, like I said, long term, 3, 5, 7, 10 years, hey man, and you got the money to be able to put in, you can afford to invest, then invest. Because I think you're going to build wealth that way. That's the way I built my wealth. I built a lot of wealth after the 2008 downturn in our economy. I just continued to buy real estate and I kept putting money into the stock market, man. And just watched it from 2008 to 2020 just accelerate itself, guys. If you want to build wealth, hey, paper assets is the way to go at this particular time. I think real estate's coming. You guys know I've made a couple of videos recently on real estate. It's coming. For you guys who want to diversify, not have all your money in paper assets, but you want to also have another asset class like real estate for income, residential real estate for income, it's coming. Just hold on. I think 2023, will be the year where we may be able to find us some good deals out there, because I think more inventory is going to hit the market in 2023. And again, with inflation up, that means 30-year fixed rate mortgage rates are up. And when rates go up, right? When rates go up by 1%, guess what happens to real estate prices? They typically go down by 10%. Even though when they come down by 10%, it lags when rates go up by 1%. It's coming though. So just hold on, be prepared, have your war chest ready to go, have your credit ready to go, have your verifiable income ready to go, hire your good real estate agent, and be ready. Be ready in 2023 for good real estate deals. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about this couple selling everything and taking their nest egg and moving it to safety. Y'all know how I feel about that. I think it's the right thing to do. If you're in your golden years and you want to protect your money, this is not the market to be in when you're trying to protect money. You want to move that money over to safety. And then when the market turns itself around, maybe you put some of it back in to continue to get growth. But for right now, move it out. But if you're in the building stage of wealth, this was when you need to be putting it in. If you want those 12 free stocks from Webull, I want you guys to click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.